Now, in this movie, let's have a look at how to make a selection right here inside Excel. There are a couple of ways to make a selection, but the first way is to come over here. Then click on this little triangle. When you click on it, it's going to select the entire cells in the worksheet for you. And for some reason, if you want to disable it, all you have to do is to click inside a cell and you are good to go. Another way to make a selection, let's say you want to select a column, that is an entire column, just position the mouse pointer on the column header, click on it, and you are good to go. But let's say I want to select a couple of columns, let's say from A column to H column. I have to click on the A column, hold the mouse. Don't let go of the mouse, because if you do, this will not work. Drag it all the way to your H, then let go of the mouse button, and at this point you end up selecting that range. Now the same thing you will do for the row. So I'm going to click on the row 2, drag it all the way down, and then I am good to go. Now for some reason I want to select C and then M, so column C and then column M. But how do I select this? Now this involves a little trick. Click on the column header for C, then hold down the control key, then come to the other one, click on it. So with the control key down, when you click, it's going to select non-adjacent columns. Now the same thing you're going to do for rows. So with my control key down, I'm going to click on these rows, and then I am good to go. So you can see I end up selecting non-adjacent columns and then rows. All right. So once you are done selecting those things, and if you do want to deselect them, click once and you are good to go. If you do want to select adjacent cells, then you have to drag from one cell, that is your target cell, to the other one. So you click, hold, and drag. Okay. Now, if you do want to select adjacent cells again with a little trick, then you have to select the ones here, that is to say, you have to select some over here, hold down the shift key on the keyboard, and then come and click on the last one. So click on the first one, hold down the shift key on the keyboard, then click on the last one. That is going to select all of the range for you. Now there are other ways to make a selection as well, by using the keyboard trick. I call this one's keyboard trick because you have to use the keyboard keys, that is the up, down, left, and then right arrow keys on the keyboard. 36 value right down here, then hold on the shift key, then press the right arrow key once, then it's going to select the cell next to the 36 cell right down there, that is the cell containing the 36. Then again with my right key, that is right arrow key, I'm going to go again. I keep pressing the right arrow key, but don't forget my shift key is down. Now if you do want to go down, then shift key down, down arrow key couple of times, and if you are not happy with your selection, up arrow key a couple of times to deselect, and then left arrow key to deselect respectively. And that is how, friends, you work here so long as selection is concerned. Thank you.